Yes, children. So now we are going to discuss about the Oersted experiment. So Oersted was the first person to discover the relation between electric charge or electricity and magnetism. Before that, it was considered as the separate branches. That magnetism is a separate branch and electricity is a separate branch. So this, as I told you, this experiment happened accidentally, right? Oersted was doing some magnetic. He was a professor. He was explaining some magnetic, simple magnetic field ka experiment to his students. The class got over. He removed all the apparatus, and the next class was electricity, like different batches or different groups of. Now the next experiment he was supposed to perform was of electricity. Now somehow a magnetic compass remained on the table. He removed everything, all the apparatus, but magnetic compass वहीं पे रह गया. And the next experiment was his electricity experiment. He was explaining the circuit. Suddenly what he observed कि जैसे ही वो electricity experiment he was explaining, the magnetic needle was showing deflection. So he checked around. When he checked around and observed that there is no magnet around, कोई भी magnet नहीं था आसपास, but still the needle was showing deflection. What he did, he switched off the current. जैसे ही उसने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेरिमेंट का करंट स्विच ऑफ किया, द मैग्नेटिक निडल केम टू द ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. He got curious. He switched on the current again. When he switched on the current again, the magnetic needle again started deflection. So leaving all his lecture, he started doing this by changing the direction of current, by changing the amount, the magnitude of current and so many other things. And finally he concluded that it is not the magnet only, but it is the electric charge also that may give rise to magnetic field. So this was the famous Oersted experiment. What he has taken? He has taken a simple circuit and he has taken a compass needle. Magnetic needle or compass, magnetic compass, right? So what he has connected in a circle, there was a source of EMF, say cell of EMF E, and a switch, a plug key, which he could switch on or switch off. So when the key was off, सपोज ये की ऑफ है, करंट पास नहीं कर रहा, तो और यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक निडल रखा या यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक निडल रखा, तो ये मैग्नेटिक निडल ऐसे था, राइट? हाउ डू वी टेक डायरेक्शन इन मैग्नेटिज्म? वी ऑलवेज टेक नॉर्थ एंड साउथ लाइक दिस, राइट हैंड साइड ईस्ट एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वेस्ट. यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड इन वेक्टर्स आल्सो, नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट. दैट इज हाउ वी टेक डायरेक्शन इन मैग्नेटिज्म. So when current, there was no current, the needle was like this. कोई deflection नहीं था needle में, it was like this, right? When he switched on the current, he found that needle ऐसे था पहले. He found that ये जो needle ऐसे था, it turned towards left. It turned towards west side. He observed that what is the direction of the current? Direction of current, this is the cell, positive to negative. Now switch is on. Right, positive to negative, but what is the actual direction? South to north. When the current is moving from south to north, deflection in the needle was towards west, right? इसका मतलब ये जो चार्ज फ्लो कर रहा है, ये चार्ज अगर ऐसे जाते जाते टर्न ले रहा है, इसका मतलब कोई ना कोई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फोर्स वहां पे है. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फोर्स वहां पे होने का मतलब ये जो डायरेक्शन है, ये जो डिफ्लेक्शन हुआ है निडल में, इट इज शोइंग दैट देयर इज सम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रेजेंट इन अ मूविंग चार्ज. ही क्विकली चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट. पहले पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव ऐसे फ्लो कर रही थी, साउथ टू नॉर्थ. नाउ ही हैज चेंज द पोलैरिटी, राइट? ही हैज मेड दिस एज पॉजिटिव एंड दिस एज नेगेटिव. चेंजिंग द पोलैरिटी विल चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट. पहले उसने चेक किया कि साउथ टू नॉर्थ जा रहा है, तो इस तरफ डिफ्लेक्शन है. नाउ ही मेड द करंट फ्लो फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ बाय चेंजिंग द polarity of the cell. So when he did that, ये जो deflection ऐसे गया था, now it started deflecting it other side, towards the right side or towards the east. Now the deflection also changed to east direction, right? So it concluded that whenever there is a moving charge will have a magnetic field around it. This is a moving charge. Every moving charge will have a magnetic field around it. What kind of magnetic field? That we are going to study in the chapter later, right? So what was Oersted experiment's result? A moving charge is the source of magnetic field. same magnetic field as is produced by the magnet. Not only magnet can create magnetic field, but a moving charge can also create a magnetic field. And there is a short trick to learn this, the snow rule. What is snow rule? Current from south to north, deflection towards west. When current is moving from south to north, तो needle west की तरफ जाएगा. इसका opposite you may easily learn. When current is from north to south, deflection will be towards east. So by snow rule, you may remember the direction of the magnetic field. Is that clear? Yes. We denote magnetic field by letter B. It is a vector quantity, and wherever the magnetic field is towards the reader, we denote it like this. These are the picture denotions of magnetic field. So this is an arrow. Arrow has a head and a tail. You must have studied in vectors also. How do we represent the arrow? With a head and a tail. Let us say there is a feather in the tail, right? So when this arrow is coming towards you, what you are able to observe, this tail part you will not be able to observe, and you will see the pointed part. It means this magnetic field is, this is the direction. So we say this is the pictorial representation of magnetic field towards the reader or outside the plane of paper. You can say anything towards you, towards the reader, or outside the plane, perpendicular to the plane of paper, right? Now when this arrow is coming towards you, this will be the representation. तो जहां भी ऐसे magnetic field dot dot बना होगा, it means magnetic field का direction हमारी तरफ है, perpendicular to the plane of paper. And जहां पे भी magnetic field का direction ऐसे बना होगा, now imagine this arrow going into, so you will be able to see the feather behind. So that is how we represent magnetic field into the plane of paper, towards, not towards, into the plane of paper, away from reader, away from reader. Magnetic field perpendicular upwards, magnetic field perpendicular into plane of paper, plane of paper. And that is how we represent the magnetic field. It is a vector quantity denoted by B with a vector magnetic field towards the reader, magnetic field into the plane of the paper. So these are the denotions that we are going to use in different laws, right?